Oh, I can smell a honey. I can smell a honey and busting. Mmm. You guys know why I'm happy, right? Yay! Okay, welcome back once again, guys. As you guys can see by the title, today's video is going to be about unboxing goodies from Nagaland, right? So this is the package I have just received. Yay! It's big and heavy though. Okay, this my friend Chong Hang Sing, she has sent me from Dimapur, Nagaland. Hi Achong, hi Achong. Thank you for this. I'm so sorry for the trouble I have caused you, and I want to thank you for this. Thank you to you and your sister Helam. Thank you to both of you. It's been like 6 months that I haven't eaten Naga food or cookie traditional food, anything to do with our food, our kind of food, right? I was craving so much for Naga food, cookie traditional food. All right, I'm really excited to try them out. Wow, finally Joel can also have some akuni and busting also, right? So happy. So let's open this. Everyone in this world deserves a good friend like you, Bai. Thank you so much for this. You have no idea how happy and, overwhelmed I am right now. So guys, this is the package. It's quite big and heavy. Yeah, that's my name and my delivery address, and this is Achong's address from Achong Hang Sing. Thank you by kakipa vale nang tabang aloy pa zo usin kimule na. That's it. So we're gonna open this. I'm really excited to see what's inside. Thing lang me kani khalo na so tay na Kerala ko mi 6 months ahitan. Thing lang me kani khalo na hi so tay kadud sa inna. Kangol di pa na chu. Kaloy no kol ka bolin tin bay ngay hung thot no katin tin sum ho ka thot na. Chu pa nas kaloy no in ay hin thot na. Zi na kakipa How am I gonna open this? Betul itu nam kasi. So excited. I don't know what is inside, but we have to see it, right? Yeah. Yay. Wow. Oh God. Let me sleep here forever. Hey, this is smoked pork. Wow. Yeah, guys, look at this. Now let's see close up, okay? The aroma is killing me, man. Oof. This is smoked pork. Yay! Smoked pork. Yay! Okay, smoked pork done. Now, item number 2, bear. That's bear. Raja Mircha. And oh, so kind of you. Kaden chipita. Chi. Tuitu. Bastinga, suka bastinga. Okay. And this is my favorite. Keho sito ho mena. Sizo. I don't know what it is called in English, but in my dialect it is called sizo. So like I'm gonna make this with this and pork. Like I'm gonna make it mepo. It's like galo, right? You guys know galo, right? So I'm gonna make it galo. This with the pork. And this is changpa. This is mainly used for to cook traditional food, that is mepo. Alright, it is rice, that small rice, no? Yeah, that's it. And this is betu akuni. This is betu. No, betu he athan umtaila. Aya, what to do, man? Puka like sido. Auntie duki kuribona. Aya, someone please tell me, what do I do with this? How do I like remove them more? It's so disgusting, man. I like akhuni, but not this, no. Okay, akhuni done. Let's see what's in here. Look. Zong shamu. Yong chak laga sit. This. Oh God. Joel kini sale. Iti di baha. So I'm gonna let Joel eat this one, okay? Let's see how his reaction will be. I'm so excited to see his reaction. It's stinky, no? Okay. Let's see, what is this? Okay. Bastinga. Tuitu ahing na bastinga. It's fresh. Oh, the smell. Oh, love it. I love it. Oh, I'll go crazy, man. Ah! Okay, what's left? Nothing left. What? Bye! You forgot to send me one thing, yeah. Ha, chang'al eh hung thot talo la. Yeah, it's okay. Chang'al lo zang le soda ki mang the na. Thing lo na go ki mang zi etiu na. Oh, how am I gonna clean this up? Okay, what is this? Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's Ajinomoto. Meal. Ajinomoto. This is available in Kerala also, but then I prefer hometown meal now. So I told her to send me this also. Yeah. So that's it. So I'm gonna place them here. Where do I place them? So full, man. So guys, I am going to prepare some Naga dish and cookie traditional food for Joel for us. So these are the ingredients that I will be using. This is sizo pot. This is bastinga, suka bastinga, and this is yongchak seeds, jongthamu. This is changpa. This is basically this is used to cook cookie traditional food, that is mepo. Okay, this is changpa and raja mircha, bastinga. This is smoked pork, and this is bemu. Where's the huni? Where is the huni? Oh, I forgot to put out ahuni, man. Okay, this is ahuni. This is ahuni. Yay! So guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next video, right? Bye. Thank you.